No turning back.
There's no turning back.
You do this, there's no turning back.
She took it. There's no turning back.
There's no turning back. We're going to tell Claire and Gloria what we did.
Once you eat the red one, there's no turning back.
It's like a drug. You get hooked, there's no turning back.
Because once you get inside my head, there's no turning back, baby.
Are you sure? Because once I make a copy, there's no turning back.
This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back.
Bruce, please. For your own sake, there is no turning back.
You sure about this? You know, once you start pushing paper, there's no turning back.
Anybody wants out, now's the time. After this, there's no turning back.
Just remember, once you take this envelope, there's no turning back.
Thank you. I'm gonna go with them.
There's no turning back now.
The road will be rough.
I have a ball.
There's no turning back.
Guess I'll have to roll with the punches.
I know Frank's been right about a few things, but he's about to cross a line from which there's no turning back.
I appreciate your connection with Harry, but there's no turning back here. He has crossed his Rubicon.